Hey, this is Haley Marie and welcome to or back to my channel. So I'm going to be straightening my hair and if you're looking for like a beautiful magical silk press video, honey, this is not going to be the one. Half my hair doesn't really straighten that well, but I'm going to go ahead and do it. Here we go. So this is what my hair is looking like after I towel dried it for like an hour. Yep, so I'm gonna go ahead and just section my hair off and then start blow drying it with my paddle brush. So let us do that. For the heat protectant, I'm gonna be using the Tresseme heat tamer. This one's my favorite. You might also see me use this one as well on top of it. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. If you're wondering which blow dryer I have, it's gonna be this one. It's the Conair Cord Keeper. It was just some like whatever the cheapest blow dryer was they had at Walmart. So I'm just gonna like very sloppily Bantu knot this little section here. To keep it separated. It's not gonna curl back up, but it will be like curly when I take it out, but that's okay. This is how the side's looking after I blow dried it. So you can already tell there's like a significant difference. But yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and do this side off camera and then I will come back and show you guys what I'm working with. And then we will proceed to the straightening. Okay, so I finished blow drying my hair and I put it in two little Bantu knots. And so this is how it's looking right now. All blown out. And yeah, so next I'm gonna go ahead and straighten it. The straightener that I have, this is the best straightener, you guys. I'm not trying to plug nothing, but this Tool Science straightener, you need to get you one of these. I think this is the second one that I bought because the first one I actually broke. I had my first one for 10 years, like well over 10 years. And I sat on it and it like broke this little part off right here, it like snapped. But best straightener I've ever had. It has like tourmaline diamond ionic plates. I don't know what that means, but this should have my hair looking so nice and silky, and you guys will see that. But right now I have it set to 375. So that's what temperature I'm going to be straightening my hair on. It does have like a rapid heat up. I just plugged it in and it's already hot, but I like to wait like 5 minutes just to make sure that like both plates are completely heated up. So while I'm waiting for that, I'm just gonna start sectioning my hair off. And I'm gonna do the comb and chase method, or brush and chase rather, because I don't want to use a comb. But so I'm gonna take this and spray it with my heat protectant. I honestly don't know which one, like one of these heat protectants is better than the other one. I just can't remember which one it is. So I used the first one on the blow dry. I'm gonna use this one now. But actually I'm gonna just keep using this one because this is like my old and trusty. This one has never failed me. So I'm gonna use that. Just brush it through. And yes, you'll notice that like quite often I use more heat protectant than I need, and my hair starts like reverting hella fast, but that's okay because I would rather my blow dry be for nothing than have heat damage, so it's whatever. But I'm just gonna pin this up here, and I like to do my brush and chase with like an actual brush instead of a comb. I know sometimes it like creates flyaways and stuff, but I feel like it leaves my hair looking a lot silkier. So I have my straightener, and we're just gonna and I'm like a multiple pass person. So like this is straight, but I still like to go in and do 2 passes just because I'm like super excessive like that. Boom. Okay. So this is the first section. Teeny tiny section. Let's keep it going. Honestly, I'm probably gonna do like a complete total of 3 passes just because like I know that by the time I finish my hair, this part that I've already done right now is gonna be completely reverted before I finish. And I'm gonna do my last pass with my like humidity blocking hair serum. So really quick, I'm gonna show you here. This is what my hair looks like on the right side. It's gonna be on your left side, but as you can see, my hair is like weird and straggly. It just kind of grows like that, and then the left side looks great. So that's why I'm doing 3 passes, because it just kind of grows weird. So I'll be doing a total of 3 passes all over my entire head, just to keep like the general damage level the same. I don't know why the right side's like that, but I'm just going with what I got. So that's gonna be like what really seals the straightness in, but I like to do it after my hair is already straight instead of doing it putting the serum. I like to do it while my hair is already straight instead of putting the serum on my hair before I straighten it, because it helps me be able to gauge like exactly how much I want to use. If you use too much, it'll make your hair really weird. But yeah, this is how she's looking right now. I just finished off like a little piece of the back section. Oh, super long. Awesome. Keep going. I'm gonna turn the heat up to 410. So, yeah. So now it's on the next setting, which is 410. Okay, so now that I have this section done, look at her, beautiful. I'm gonna take my serum that I made and just put it on the hair a little bit, kind of like finger comb it through. And I really want to get my roots because like they usually curl up pretty fast from me sweating a lot. And then also my ends curl up pretty fast too. So I'll just take that, brush the serum through. You can kind of see how lightweight it is because it's not like weighing my hair down or anything, but it's also making my hair super shiny and like just completely sleek. Woohoo! Wow, my hair is almost waist length. I am excited. I'm basically just gonna go ahead and finish doing the rest of my hair the exact same way, the brush and chase method with the flat iron and the brush. And then I'm gonna do 2 passes for each section, go back, put the serum on top, and then do another pass. So yeah. So this is what my hair looks like when it's finished. I'm gonna go in with a hot comb and do my roots, but as you can see, the right side looks kind of straggly, just like I had mentioned before. But other than that, it's pretty straight, and my left side looks delicious and fantastic. But yeah, let's go ahead and hit her with the hot iron, or the hot comb rather. And here's another shot of how my hair looks different on either side. See, I don't know what that is, but I'm gonna go ahead and trim my hair now. So I typically just pull it back, even if it's curly. I still do it this way. I pull it back, pull it up, and see like there's about 2 inches of, I guess you would say, thinning or breakage. So I just cut about 1/4 inch into the healthy hair just to make sure I get off all of the old broken hair off. And this is what she's looking like in the back. Looks pretty decent. So as you can see, I'm in my nightgown. I'm about to go to sleep. So I'm gonna try wrapping my hair. I remember my old hairstylist, Miss Monica, had wrapped my hair in the honeycomb or the pine cone or whatever you call it. The hurricane, tornado, y'all know what I'm talking about. But honest to God, this was the hardest shit. I haven't straightened my hair in a long time, and it was easier when it was shorter, but oof, Jesus, I am struggling. So I just gave up, and I'm gonna do the cross wrap instead because this is redonkulous. For the cross wrap, I just split my hair in half and basically cross the hair over in the back and wrap it back up to the front of my face. So we'll just cross and wrap, and then I pin the hair there and just put my scarf on top, and then I put my bonnet on top of the scarf. So I have one side pinned, And here you'll see I'll be pinning the other side after I thoroughly detangle it a little bit. And once I'm done pinning it, I'll just go ahead and wrap it with my scarf. And although you didn't see it here, after I put my scarf on, I washed my face and then put on my bonnet and went to bed. I filmed this a minute ago and forgot to film a wake up video, but just trust my hair was not straight when I woke up in the morning. The left side was perfectly fine, but the right side was more like a blowout. And that's just how my hair is. But anyways, thanks so much for watching, and I appreciate you guys. Let me know what other videos and stuff you guys want me to do.